My slide.
Kolhapur, Maharashtra from India. We'll be discussing on the COVID-19 pandemic, the role of medicinal plants as an immunity booster. Welcome, Dr. Firoj. You may begin.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. Is it visible, my slide?
Yeah, you can put to the full mode.
Kolhapur, Maharashtra from India. We'll be discussing on
Okay.
the COVID-19 pandemic, the role of medicinal plants as an immunity booster.
Presentation mode. You make it to presentation mode, full screen.
Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Okay,
Yeah,
now it is. Okay.
start.
Okay. Thank you very much, organizing committee, to give me a chance to present a paper on particularly COVID-19 pandemic and role of medicinal plants as an immunity booster. Whole world, this is fact. Whole world is facing COVID-19 pandemic, so there has been a lot of interest to boosting our immune system and thus build a first line of defense against the deadly virus. Since ancient times, the medicinal plants, herbs, spices were well known for their medicinal properties. Therefore, the medicinal plants and herbs playing a critical role to boosting our immunity during the COVID-19 pandemic. It is also very important to consume supplements in the form of immunonutrients such as vitamin A, C, E, D, B complex, zinc, and copper that will support our body to fight against the pathogens. COVID-19 attacks people with low immunity system and people especially people of under and overage. The immune system is built on beneficial live bacteria that lives in the gut, which protect the human body from various diseases. When the immune system response is low, weak, or damaged, it becomes an open invitation for infections such as number of diseases that coronavirus or other diseases like diabetes, heart disease, or even the cancer. So these are some drugs that is used to treat as a immune booster. In that, someone is here mentioned, that is elderberry, that is garlic, ginger, glioil, then vitellius, margosa, clove, ginseng, licorice, ashwagandha, cinchona. These plants are known to be rich in antioxidants, vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, dietary fibers, amino acids, minerals, steroids, alkaloids, antiviral, antibacterial phytochemicals, which will help in regenerating the immune system and also helps in killing the invited viruses. Immunity, as we know that is a very important role to protect ourselves. The immune system includes various parts of the body, including the thymus, spleen, lymph nodes, special deposit of lymphoid tissues, particular B cells, T cells, and antibodies. Immunity, the state of protection from infection disease, has both less specific or innate and a more specific or adaptive component. So this is the types of immunity: adaptive immunity, innate immunity, natural, artificial, in that passive active and passive active. These are medicinal plants. As we know that according to the WHO, around 80% of the world population uses herbal medicines for primary healthcare, particularly across Europe and South Asia. Research indicates that many of these herbs not only have anti-inflammatory properties but also build up the body's natural immunity. And unlike allopathic medicines like antibiotic, which can have serious side effects, most of these herbs spices are very relatively safe. Here, first drug, that is Sanversa. Here, elderberry, scientific name is Sanversa nigra, is an intense purple berry, and it is mainly found in Europe and Western Asia. It has been in use for many years due to its enormous health benefits. Here, particularly, some literature indicate that there is a preclinical event that elderberry, here, a replication and viral attachment of human coronavirus NL6, which diverse from that is COVID-19, but also belong to the coronavirus. Elderberry is the most effective means of preventing or combating coronavirus infection at an early stage. It mainly contains the nutritional information of elderberry. Next one is Allium sativa. That is, it is more, as we know that very well, it is antioxidant properties and also helps in the reducing stress and high blood pressure. The antiviral properties of this drug, that is reducing the severity of the cold, flu, or COVID-19 infection, hence Garlic boosts the immune system and helps in fighting against viruses and other diseases. It has allicin, which is broad spectrum antibiotics. Next one is Tinosphoria cardifolia, that is called as a giloi, a plant being from a centuries for the medicinal values. Many studies have reported the hydrophilic, lipolytic, hypoglycemic, hepatoprotic, anti-cancer, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, anti-obesity, anti-mutagenic property of giloi. Gudici or giloi is suggested to contain various diterpene compounds. These polysaccharides and terpenoids are immunomodulating and adaptogenic in nature. Next one is gingiber. Gingiber officinalis, that is gingibraceae. Ginger is well known for its anti-inflammatory along with other very important that is extensively used for curing colds and cough, nausea, asthma, travel sickness, morning sickness, etc. Immunomodulatory action of this boost of the immune system of the patients, which further prevent the load of infections. Ginger is beneficial to fight respiratory problems. Here, a relieve congestion association with the common cold, strengthened immunity due to the high level of antioxidants, reduce stress due to combination of the strong aroma and healing property, improve blood circulation due to presence of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids in ginger. It can help restore, improve blood circulation and prevent fat from deposition in arteries, helping to prevent heart from, that is cardiac vascular disorder. Next, that is ostium. As we know that it is called as tulsi or holy basil. Many in vitro and in vivo reports of animals, human proven its therapeutic potential as antioxidant, anti-aging, anti-cancer, antiviral, antimicrobial properties, immunomodulatory activity, also antipyretic activity, anti-arthritic activity, treatment of gum ulcer, kidney problems, RSM, menstrual irregulation, arthritis, anorexia, malaria are also used as a hemostatic steptin in childbirth, etc. Interestingly, the role of tulsi for scientific evidence against COVID-19 has also been elucidated. This is curcumin longa. Again, it's called as curcumin domestica, and it's called as haldi milk. We know that very popular during the pandemic.
Excuse me, sir, sorry to interrupt. You have another 2 minutes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Commonly used in India for curries and other dishes. Also, it is one of the very important drugs to boost immunity of our. Then next one is the sesanem, that is we called as clove. It is also having a property. Clove may be considered as the most candidate to combat the coronavirus and protecting against the sudden death seen in some patient infected by coronavirus COVID-19, resulting from the embolism associated with hypercoagulated formation. And this particularly clove having this particularly prevent this coagulation properties. That is reported, literature reported. This Vidania somerifera, it is a very powerful aphrodisiac drug that is in right from the ancient. It is mentioned in our that is literature, acts as a very good, that is even modulator. Some plants here, ginseng is very known for the immunomodulator. Fenugreek also, that is methi, we know that it is mentioned in Ayurvedic system medicine, which acts as a natural antioxidant and strengthens immune system. It is not only used as an herb, that is dried or fresh leaves, spices, vegetables, but also as a condiment in artificial fluid of maple syrup or in the production of steroids. These are some nutraceuticals in that dietary minerals, selenium, zinc, iron, and acetylcysteine. These are mainly used as the dietary minerals and vitamins. These are probiotics, omega-3 fatty acids, and beta-glucan. So these are particularly mainly used. Okay, so conclusion is what that is medicinal plants and herbs are better alternative to treat several diseases during this COVID-19 pandemic in December 2019, where no proper allopathic medicine was available to treat COVID-19. Various traditional medicinal plants and herbs have been used as a medicine and resulting in positive health effects among the COVID-19 patients. In the present paper, that is, we have discussed the possible potential uses of medicinal plants and herbs to boosting immunity against these viruses and also prevent or even treat COVID-19 infection. These are some references. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Firoj, for your presentation.
Thank you very much for giving opportunity.
You're most welcome.
Can be
So next, please start sharing your screen. We will quickly move for next.
their data.
I would like to welcome Dr. B. Senthil Kumar from